So I want whenever someone submits this tally form, instantly their details should be added in my CRM. So as you can see, I have only 3 details in my CRM right over here, only 3 contacts. But I'm just going to fill in this form as testing user, click on the submit button, and you're going to see instantly a new contact will be created in my CRM. So I'm just going to refresh this contact list, and you're going to see yes, within seconds and in real time the new contact details are added. Same name, same email, and the same phone number. This is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and let's see how to create this connection between tally forms and CRM. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can try Pabbly Connect for free. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this is just for you. So go try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and let's see how to create this amazing automation. So to create this, you just have to make sure that this workflow builder is opened, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for tally. So let's just search for tally and select it. For the event, select it as new response and click on this connect. Now it has given me the webhook URL, so just copy it and open your tally forms. So as you can see that this is my workspace, and over here this is the form for which I want to create this automation. So I'm just going to go to the edit of the same form, and then I'm just going to go to this integrations tab. Once I'm just going to come on this integrations tab, the webhook is already added, so I'm just going to delete this. So if you are a new user, you're going to see this window when you come on the integrations tab. So you have to go on this webhooks and click on this connect. Now it is saying endpoint URL, so you just have to paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. Click on this connect, and this webhook URL is added successfully right over here. This has created the connection between Tally and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you just have to submit this form. So I'm just going to enter the details and submit this form right over here as new user. So let's just click on this submit. We have successfully submitted this form. So let's open our workflow, and you're going to see Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same. Now I want to add these details as a contact in my CRM. So for that, I'm just going to click on this add new action step. For the CRM, I'm just going to use Zoho CRM right over here. You can use any another CRM too. So just choose the CRM. For the event, select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between your CRM and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. Now in order to connect Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect, we have to enter the domain right over here. So before we get this domain, you have to make sure that the domain will be anything from below only. Okay, so let's open our Zoho CRM, and in this URL you're going to find the domain after this CRM dot and before /CRM. So you just have to copy this domain and paste it right over here in your workflow. Click on this save. Once you click on this save, you're going to see Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now our Zoho CRM is connected with Pabbly Connect, and after creating this amazing connection, we can move on further. For the lead source, I'm just going to keep it as advertisement only. If you want, you can definitely change it right over here. Now it is saying first name, last name, and the rest of the details. So first of all, you can see it is asking me for n number of details, but we are only going to fill in the details which are required or the details which we have of our customer or lead. So we have first name, last name, email, and phone numbers. We're going to fill in those details only. As you can see, this last name and email are required because this has this star in front of them. This means that this is required. We have to definitely fill in this to move this workflow further. Okay, so let's just enter these details. But before we enter these details, I'll just let you know that you don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this. You have to map it? So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically a data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So we have mapped the first name, we have mapped the last name. Now we're just going to map this email address. So let's just put a slash and map the email address. Now I'm just going to map this phone number right over here. So yes, we have successfully mapped the details which I had of my lead. So I can move on further and click on this save and send test request. If you wish, you can definitely map the rest of the details too. Now once I'm just going to click on the save and send test request, it is saying success. So let's just open contacts of Zoho CRM and refresh this contact list, and you're going to see yes, a new contact is added right over here. And this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we created right now. And like I showed in the starting of this video, that whenever someone is going to fill in and submit this form, instantly the details will be added in our CRM. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is also there in the description box below. If you like the video, do hit the like button, and for more automation tips like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone.
So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.